Okay, this is our last week. I'm sorry we didn't get to meet the whole last half of the semester because I like to really kind of hands-on these last couple of assignments with you, but I know that you can do it. Our final exam / project is a Padlet. You're going to create a Padlet final portfolio, and then you're going to take the screencast program and you're going to actually narrate your Padlet after you create it. Your Padlet portfolio is basically you're going to reflect on all the items and assignments that we've done in class, and it's a reflection on what did you think about it. It doesn't have to be that long, and how would you ever use it again. So each one should have the reflection, each one of these numbers, and if I ask you, when I highlight it in yellow, you must link it to the document that you created. Now, all of your documents, all of these should be on Moodle. The only one I'm not asking you for sure not to link is that keynote presentation, because we couldn't get back in the lab to use the MacBook Pros to get the presentations off of it. And by the way, I gave everybody the points for it since there was no way you could go in and get it again. Okay, so you can look down these. Your first Padlet, I'm going to show you a Padlet, will be a title slide with your name, your section number, and a picture of yourself. The second one is why do you have a biography? Then link it to the Word doc of your biography. All of these assignments should be on your Moodle. Shouldn't have to be recreate anything or looking for anything. So you can go down and read all of these, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. So your last thing you're doing here is your screencast-o-matic, and so you're going to give a reflection on that as well. So let me go on over and open up Padlet. So you're going to go to Padlet.com, and when you get to Padlet.com, you're going to create a login just like you do with everything else. These are a couple of old Padlets that I had up here, and then I'm also going to show you how to make a new Padlet. So the little pink plus is make a new Padlet. You can make a wall with the different bricks. I like the scatter group and connect content. You can stack the shelf. I've seen people do different topics that way, and it's like in columns. But I would use the grid. I'd use the canvas, the wall, the shelf, whichever one you like. Let's see if I selected the canvas. Okay, so I can also change the backgrounds in here. So you can do all kinds of different things with that as well. So here's my new Padlet, and I'm going to start posting. So see the little plus sign in the bottom. You're going to click plus, and this is my first Padlet. So I would type that ELRC and whatever section you're in, if you're in section 1 or 2, and then you're going to write that this is my section that met on Tuesday and Thursdays, and here's a picture of myself. Then the way you do the picture is you click on picture, and you can either do the photo booth or you can just allow you to use your camera. I'm going to scare everybody for a second. This is the COVID look with no makeup. I'm not using that thing. No way. Okay. So you can actually insert a link. You can upload something. Here is a better picture of me that I can upload, and then I could write something. Then it gives you all these other options. Trash, I can actually write something on here. Let's see what some of the other options up here. You can insert images. You can even insert videos. So let's say if I'm through with that one, I'm going to do another one. And let's say if I was going to take this one, pull it up here, and like I said, you can insert, like if I said link to something, you can link using the link. And it also gives you some other options to do voice, film, draw on it, all these things. There's just tons of things, and you'll just have to kind of play with it and see what you want to use or not. But all the things that I've asked you to do on the Padlet list for the portfolio, the ones that you're going to need to link, you can either highlight the word and actually link it by doing that. You can put an image in yourself or a video. So I also would just suggest looking at some of the sample Padlets they have. So I'm looking right here. Here was one that I did a year or two ago that I did the biography, and then I did the name tent. And you don't have to put your name tent in because y'all may not have it. Then what I did here is I can actually go look at Going back here, I can remake, I can share it. Let's go to settings. I can look at all the different settings. I can change the wallpaper. I can change it to pictures. I might want to do this, just like you've done with other things. Also, there are also a bunch of sample Padlets that are on here when you first log in that you can look at. Okay, so that's Padlet. Okay, I'm going to discard that. Now, once my Padlet is created, I'm going to create my screencast. And the screencast is what I'm doing right now. You're going to log into Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I have open, and you can use a free account, and then it will actually let you start recording. And that's what I'm doing right here. But when you record, I'm going to want you to have the recording of the screen and the picture of yourself in the bottom. I have given you a little tutorial on how to use Screencast-O-Matic. It's not hard. Basically, you just log into Screencast-O-Matic, create a login, launch the recorder, then make sure your ... here is over whatever you are recording. Like I'm recording the picture of this Padlet, or I'm recording my directions to make the Padlet. And then when you finish it, this is the part that I think some people get kind of hacked up on. If you are held up on, let's see.